Can I plead the Fifth Amendment at my medical exam? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, Missouri and San Diego, California. Today's question comes from one of our YouTube commenters. Their name is The Bearded One, and The Bearded One is apparently getting ready to take a medical exam. That could be at the USCIS Civil Surgeon's office or at an embassy somewhere around the world. And there are questions that come up about drug history. So the interesting thing in this age we live in right now is that marijuana is legal in some states. So I think maybe 20 states have legalized some form of marijuana, and but it's still a violation of federal law to smoke marijuana. And the question comes up, well, when I go to my medical exam, like I said, either at the embassy's approved doctor or at the USCIS civil surgeon, they're going to ask me about the drug use, and the Bearded One wants to know, can I plead the Fifth Amendment? The Fifth Amendment allows a defendant or any individual to not self-incriminate, to not give evidence of their criminal behavior to a U.S. government official. And the answer to the Bearded One's question is, sure, you can plead the Fifth Amendment, but if you plead the Fifth Amendment, you're not going to get the benefit that you want. So if you admit to drug use, or if you refuse to answer questions related to drug use, you're not going to get the benefit anytime soon. So you need to think this through, and you need to listen to the questions that are asked, and you need to be careful. If you plead the Fifth, your case is pretty much over. So I think you need to think about whether it makes sense to even apply if that's a situation. So different doctors handle it differently. Some limit the question to, have you smoked marijuana in the last 30 days? Some say in your whole life. So you might need a little bit of luck. You might need to think about not applying. I know this is a tough situation. If you fail your drug test, or if you answer affirmatively to the drug-related questions, you can be put into a separate pipeline which slows down your immigration. It can slow down your green card case. It can make you inadmissible to the United States. It can also keep you from getting your immigrant visa. So at that point, you might need a waiver, or you might need some other form of relief. If you have questions about this, obviously you always have to tell the truth, but sometimes the better thing is to simply not apply, or to apply at a later date. If you have questions, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. We have our Facebook group, Immigrant Home. We'd love to see you in there. And of course, we have our YouTube channel with hundreds and hundreds of immigration-related videos. And we're always looking for new ideas, so feel free to leave a comment like the Bearded One did. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can find me in our YouTube channel and on our Facebook group answering as many of your immigration-related questions as possible in just 60 minutes. We'd love to see you there. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.